In the midst of our daily work routines, there are moments when being a lifesaver can make all the difference. So today we're going to explore the critical role of CPR and AED training in the workplace. So CPR and AED training is not just the optional skills, it's a potential lifesaver in the office. So let's discover how this training can be a game changer for your workplace. Here are the key reasons why it's essential. So, immediate response to cardiac emergencies, increased chances of survival and reduced damage, creating a safer and more prepared workplace, boosted employee morale and confidence, enhanced safety measures and emergency preparedness. CPR and AED training is not just about compliance, it's about having the skills to save a life in a critical moment. It's about knowing that your office is a place where everyone can be a potential lifesaver. CPR and AED training in the office is not just a skill, it's a potential lifeline when it matters most. Because in your workplace, being a lifesaver can make all the difference.